The battle between Verizon and T-Mobile boils down to this. Verizon generally offers superior coverage and speed, especially in urban areas, while T-Mobile provides better value for your money with more affordable unlimited plans. It's not a one-size-fits-all answer. The best carrier depends on your specific needs and location. In urban environments, Verizon's 5G ultra-wideband provides blazing fast speeds, while T-Mobile has made significant strides in closing the speed gap with their mid-band 5G. Consider where you live and how you'll use your phone. This video will break down coverage, speed, and value to help you decide. Let's break down each category. Coverage. Verizon excels in rural coverage with broad 4G LTE availability, while T-Mobile shines in urban and suburban 5G coverage. Check coverage maps specific to your frequently visited areas. Speed. Verizon's MWave 5G offers the fastest peak speeds in dense cities, while T-Mobile's mid-band 5G delivers competitive speeds for everyday use. Actual speeds vary based on location and network congestion. Value. T-Mobile generally offers more affordable unlimited plans with bundled perks. Verizon's plans can be pricier but may include features that justify the cost for some users. Consider your data usage and budget. The best way to find out is to test the service using apps like Speed Test.